Okay, everyone, just got my dbrand skin here. Just arrived via Peer later. So let's open it. It's gonna put on the MacBook Pro. So this is what it looks like when your skin comes. Now I got the Teardown Skin. Okay, here's the top, very high quality. This was the gloss version. I also got a bottom piece. I just went with the black titanium. It's got some sheen into it, so that's pretty nice. And you get a microfiber cloth just to clean off your laptop with it before applying. And I also got the Teardown Trackpad. So yeah, that's it. So these are special editions. So I don't know how long they'll be available, but they're pretty nice. That being with the, oh man, it looks really good. So it's got a glossy finish, very high quality. Just gonna get in close here. That really looks amazing. Okay. So here's the trackpad again. So again, very cool. This is matte, so the trackpad only comes in matte, doesn't come in the glossy finish. And you're gonna wanna use a hair dryer just for the corners, mainly for the bottom screen. And I just had some eye clear apple polish lying around. I still have, it's pretty full, it's about halfway full. This was really good, but just use any type of product, water, whether or not, just to clean off your MacBook Pro. Top, bottom, and you can do the trackpad as well. So it's nice and smooth. Your finger should just glide over it. Should be no fingerprints or anything. And yeah, we're gonna apply it. So, and then once you're done with the top, do the bottom. And just mainly wanna do the corners with the hair dryer. Just kind of heat up the corners and apply pressure to seal those in. All right, so I'm gonna put these skins on and I will be back. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. So again, this is the Teardown Special Edition by dbrand. Skin for the MacBook Pro 13-inch. Yeah, it looks fantastic. Definitely took a long time to apply. It's very meticulous. You gotta really be careful. It's supposed to have about half a millimeter off the edge, but I did a pretty good job, I think. Looks perfect. Again, it's very high res. It's very glossy, but it's not that bad. It looks worse on camera. I would definitely opt for the high gloss model, as you'll get more detail and the color looks fantastic. Looks just like the covers off the laptop. And I also got the black titanium or titanium black skin as well for the bottom, just for protection. You don't get a bottom Teardown skin, unfortunately, but I got this one here, so it's got a nice sheen to it. Looks really good in the light. And you also get a little strip on the hinge as well. But yeah, looks really great. That's where the hinge starts here. And we'll flip it over. And you get the Apple logo, it's kind of embossed right there, which is nice. And yeah, go ahead and open up the laptop. And here is the trackpad skin as well. So this is matte, and it's very nice. I'll do a little demonstration here of the keyboard here. So effortlessly, easy to scroll through your desktops. We're gonna four-finger go up, get the applications, scroll through. So everything works great. So yeah, works fantastic. So yeah, that's it guys. Highly recommend getting the high gloss version. It looks fantastic, as I said. And another video, if you want, I'll go over the Better Touch tool for the touch bar. You can have your dock and kind of customize it to your liking. Kind of have your battery calendar there I put in there. So if you want, I'll show you that in another video. And we'll see you in the next one. All right guys, peace.